Hello, everyone. There's one part of digestive system which we need to cover. So let's begin. Okay, rest of the digestive system has already been uploaded. This is part 2 of digestive system of cockroach, where we are not discussing the alimentary canal. Rather, we are discussing the salivary glands. Okay. So over here, there are a pair of glands, as you can see in the diagram. There are a pair of glands. So you can see subdivisions over here. A pair, yani two glands of saliva are going to be present. Okay. Amongst which each gland has got two glandular lobes and one reservoir or receptacle. So this central chunk that you see, that is called as a receptacle. The central chunk is the receptacle or the reservoir. And you can see small leaf-like glands emerging out of it. These emerging glands are called as glandular lobes. So salivary glands are two, and each gland has got glandular lobes as well as reservoir. Okay. These glandular lobes are basically irregularly shaped, mostly leaf shaped. And these are the glands, right? That's why they secrete saliva. Okay. On the other hand, the reservoir or receptacle are just sac-like structures which are going to temporarily store the saliva. Okay, they are not performing any extra function. They are just there for storage of saliva till the right moment strikes in. Okay. Now, there are two glands, gland 1 and gland 2. Okay, we have gland 1 and gland 2. Both of them have got one salivary duct each. You can see one salivary duct each. Just note the pointer. So this is gland number 1 and its salivary duct. And this is gland number 2 and its salivary duct. Together, they combine to form common salivary duct. You can see over here. So gland number 1, gland number 2, salivary duct. Together, they form this dark colored common salivary duct. Now, receptacle 1, see over here, receptacle 1 has a particular duct. Receptacle 2 has a particular duct. You can see it in light gray or white color. Okay. Both these ducts combine to give you common reservoir duct. Okay. So gland 1 and gland 2 give a common salivary duct that is dark green color. And receptacle 1 and receptacle 2 give a common reservoir duct that is light gray or whitish in color. Together, the common salivary duct and common reservoir duct, they combine to form a thicker duct called as common efferent salivary duct. What is it? Common efferent salivary duct. And this opens into hypopharynx. Hypopharynx is nothing but the tongue of the cockroach, where the saliva actually needs to go. So what is happening? There are a pair of glands in the saliva. Each gland has two glandular lobes and one reservoir. The two glandular lobes have one salivary duct each, which together are called as common salivary duct. The two reservoirs have got one duct each, which combine to form common reservoir duct. CSD and CRD together combine to form a thicker canal called as common efferent salivary duct, and this opens into the tongue of the cockroach or the hypopharynx. So whenever the cockroach requires saliva to be present in the tongue, it is going to send itself a signal in the nerve cord, which will make these ducts open the saliva into the hypopharynx. And with this, we end our digestive system of cockroach. Meet you next. Bye.